No.
And you think this is only an 06, I scraped the front bumper. No. Get it done.
Yeah.
That corner still annoys the fuck out of me.
Well, because of what Matey did.
Yeah.
Do you feel a bit better after having some sugar?
Sorry?
Do you feel a bit better with some sugar?
Make a difference.
No.
You'll know from their Fortunately podcast.
It's just a nagging headache. And when I stand up, yeah, it's that light-headed
Did I say that?
Yeah.
feeling, but
Notes on the
shit.
path of life. Now,
What?
what's your both of your
Bus wants
biggest
to get
beef,
through.
as it were?
Well, we have to wait till we get through.
yeah, the problem is the lights are going to change. We can't
A lot
move.
of middle-aged women, we're both middle-aged women, do spend a lot of our time doing stuff for other people. I'd say we have also both written with great affection about radio and about working in radio because, a bit like you, Steve, I'm afraid we are both anoraks. And
Yes, we do like
Come on, bus driver, pull forward. You can get through there.
And we've
Well,
both
go on
been
the
in
curb.
local radio.
Who?
You know, I've jumped
bus.
baby shows.
You can't 'cause of
in
the
a
tunnel.
Very,
Yeah,
But you can still get down here.
Which didn't go well, by the way. Fee was much more cosmopolitan and worked at GLR in London and was terribly, fashionable, weren't you, Fee?
She was actually. I can vouch.
Come on, because our light's gone green and we can't get
I was
through.
actually less fashionable, wasn't I, Fee?
Let's just not
Come
pursue
on.
this conversation anymore till neither of us come out of it.
Come on. You're holding us up.
Go on, sorry.
You've done a chapter that includes your radio personality assessment chart, which was
Fucking
greatly interesting,
dickhead.
of course, but
No,
just
stay-
think back
stay
of
where you
name
are.
naming in that, I thought.
No, I should get out and guide him forward a bit so that make room.
Took them out, Tim.
There you go.
That's it.
The lawyers were all over this, I've got to tell you, they really were.
Go on, just
Come on.
So, who were your? I mean, I didn't expect to be talking about radio, but who are your radio heroes in terms of men or women?
Do you know who my heroine was? Janice Long, because Janice Long had a show on Radio Merseyside on a Sunday night, and that was really the first time I'd heard a woman doing a show that I thought I would like to one day present myself. I never did, but it was called Street Life from memory. So Janice,
Come on,
was
you can
my
get through there.
absolute nailed on radio heroine.
I suppose you guys, it would be true to say that you have a complete 100% appreciation and talent for radio because you both know that it's about attitude, isn't it, really, to the work?
It's about knowing how really, really lucky you are to do a job that you enjoy.
can't drive your bus,
I think
mate.
It's so underrated, Steve. You know, to wake up in the morning and think, not, oh, I've got to go to work, but, oh, good.
Because he's got traffic behind him, so
Yeah.
we can't get
Great
through.
to have a job that
Even
gives
the van
you
behind us is
pleasure.
getting up
I
on
mean,
the path.
vast majority of people
And the
on
one
Earth
behind us is
do
turning
not have
round.
that.
Try
Over
it
the
to,
last
making a
2
right
years,
fucking pig's ear of it.
radio's come into its own. You know, when we're all shut away in our houses and we couldn't contact other people and we couldn't be with other people, this wonderful kind of sense of community came at you through the radio in a way that TV can't do it, books can't do it, films can't do it, but radio can.
Or move the
And
cones.
I'd agree with my sister and colleague that we're incredibly lucky to do what we do. And I think you only kind of stay working in radio if you do genuinely love it, because I think
You can
your
get
audience
through.
can hear when you're just a bit fed up
Yeah.
or too important to be there or whatever it is. We've had great careers and we intend to stay in them if that's all right.
Yeah, I think it might be okay.
Oh,
What
now
do
you're
you
coming
think
right
is the
behind us, are you?
most
Okay.
important part of the podcast that you do, and indeed the most important part in this new book?
They're both the same in the sense that, as Lee said, we talk about the really silly and we talk about the serious, and we try to mirror the conversations that women actually have. So I do not say to my mates on a Friday night, come round to my house and we'll have a serious
Fucking talk, take the initiative.
bottle of wine. Because if I did say that, no one would come. I mean, they're unenthusiastic enough as it is. What actually happens is the people turn up and you talk about the serious and you talk about the utterly stupid in the same 3 hours. In the same sentence, you can be on the dead
Ain't rocket science, is it?
No.
really vital to the completely disposable, inane.
What do you say to you?
Okay, if I do it there, I won't get under the bridge. She said, well, you get down to me, you'll have all the swing in the world.
The most
Yeah.
important thing for me is just trying to get a working edgeways, Steve.
I know how you feel. Fee and Jane's book, Did I Say That Out Loud, is now in hardback and ebook,
You can't go nowhere, mate, so...
Yeah, no, when we come back, we'll go the other way.
Yeah.
A new one every Friday. You can also hear Fee presenting the
It's all
Listening
because of a
Project,
bus.
which is truly wondrous.
1:05.
It's on Sundays at 1:30. Jane talking to remarkable people.
The bus driver that can't drive his bus.
At 9 a.m. Both of those are on Radio 4.
Oh, he could
and the BBC
have
Sounds
gobbled
app.
up on the curb.
Fee Glover and Jane
Get
Glover.
so far.
Yeah, he can't because he's got the arch of the bridge in his roof.
Yeah.
But come down to me, you've still got room to swing.
Yeah.